Hello everyone. Recently, some customers have reported that they have purchased multiple CAM720 model cameras, but they are stuck on how to quickly find the correct tutorial. I'll tell you in 1 minute how to find the good guide.
Hi, Kevin.
Yes.
I bought 3CAM720 models. I'm not sure how to use them. Can you tell me how to find the right tutorial without wasting time?
Don't worry, our YouTube system is designed exactly for multi-model users like you. How to find the camera's model? Just remember these 3 steps. First, go to our channel's playlist tab. Second, find a model in search bars. Third, select a video to view.
Wait. So I can even find videos for specific functions?
Yes, we update every month based on product and customer demands, including connection videos, bracket installation videos, troubleshooting, function introductions, and so on.
Okay. Then I will click subscribe. That way, I can start finding it next time.
Now you've learned how to find product models and quickly find relevant tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's meet again in the next video.